Bonjour les amis, c'est Alain avec une minute de français. This is Alain with 1 minute of French. As you can tell, I'm not high-tech, I'm old-fashioned, so I use an old-fashioned board and handwriting. But I will explain to you basic concepts of grammar that I think will be in a very helpful way. Aujourd'hui, le pronom y, the pronoun y. So there are many uses of the pronoun y or the pronoun y. A pronoun is something that takes the place of a noun. We will do one today, and next time we'll do the second use for y. Je vais au magasin. I go to the store. In English, we say I go there. In French, I there go. So le pronom y remplace au magasin. The pronoun y replaces to the store. In the same way, it can be used with the verb être, to be. Nous sommes à la maison. Nous y sommes. Nous sommes à la maison. Nous y sommes. We are at the house. We are there. In French, we say we there are. So you see, the pronoun y takes the place, replaces a place where you're going to go or where you are. Okay, or where you do things. Merci les amis, à la prochaine. Next time we will learn the second meaning of, second usage of this pronoun.